Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make money for PayPal on your phone. We'll dive into practical strategies you can start using today, right from your mobile device. Many apps offer opportunities to earn a few dollars here and there, which can add up over time. We'll cover everything from quick surveys to more engaging tasks, helping you find the best fit for your spare moments. Get ready to turn your phone into a mini earning machine. One of the most straightforward ways to earn is through paid surveys. Companies want your feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. You can find many reputable survey apps that connect directly to your PayPal account. Additionally, micro-task platforms offer small, quick jobs that can be completed in just a few minutes. These tasks might include categorizing images or transcribing short audio clips, providing a flexible way to earn during short breaks. With the app installed and permissions granted, you'll either log into your existing QCY account or quickly register for a new one. After logging in, open your headphone case and ensure your earbuds are out and discoverable. Inside the QCY app, look for an option like Add Device or Tap to Connect. The app will then scan for your QCY headphones and, once found, allow you to link them directly within the application. This usually takes just a few moments. To truly maximize your earnings, consistency is key. Don't spread yourself too thin across too many apps. Instead, focus on 2 or 3 that you enjoy and find profitable. Always be aware of your time and choose tasks that offer a good return for the effort you put in. Remember to prioritize your online safety by using strong, unique passwords and being cautious of any requests for sensitive personal information. With a smart approach, your phone can become a valuable tool for earning extra PayPal cash.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.